Okay, so this is my walkthrough for you, Rick. Some of the cases have stuff in them, some of them have very little. Now, I'll continue over here. Guitar strap don't count. And put buttons on my, those are actually Klein screwdrivers. I think it was. Yeah, Klein tools. And a small Klein meter. A couple of 4-ways. Sledgehammer. Small jumper cables. More cases. You can see like that one had a pretty decent selection of bits. It has a 20 volt or an 18 volt rigid drill and a circular saw and 2 batteries in the charger. Then a couple of Harbor Freight oscillating tools, some diamond bit hole saws, regular hole saws, a few miscellaneous bits. This one is a brand new set of Milwaukee Complete. And then 3 hammers, a little saw, 3 pry bars, 3 tape measures, and miscellaneous scrapers and such.